If you're viewing this video, it's the universe that has brought it to you. Continue watching as you embark on a journey to comprehend the potency of seemingly simple yet profound words. The phrase, "I am," leads us directly to the core of human existence. Though these two words may appear small, they wield significant power, influencing our thoughts, perspectives, and the course our lives take. Our lives are intricately connected with the words we use. While we employ them for communication, they also play a vital role in constructing the world around us. I am isn't just a random set of words. It's an assertion to the world, declaring our presence. It serves as the origin of our thoughts and actions, a key unlocking the deeper recesses of our minds where our reality is shaped. This concept is fundamental to Neville Goddard's teachings on conscious creation. Goddard, a spiritual teacher, posited that our inner thoughts manifest in the external world. Our beliefs, especially those starting with "I am," act as forces shaping the world we inhabit. Delving further, we realize that our thoughts actively influence our lives. The words following "I am" are crucial, akin to echoes in our minds, altering our perception and, consequently, the unfolding of our lives. Goddard encourages us to scrutinize our true beliefs by tuning into our inner dialogues. Using "I am" consciously involves being acutely aware of our words, stepping out of autopilot, and choosing words intentionally. Each utterance of "I am" is akin to applying a purposeful brushstroke to the canvas of our lives. Understanding this concept means acknowledging that words are more than symbols. They are powerful tools. The words we select, especially after "I am," are like seeds planted in our minds. By choosing the right words, we can initiate change and growth in the desired direction. Utilizing "I am" also entails taking responsibility for our thoughts and words. It involves recognizing that our daily affirmations shape our life story. Far from being a burden, this realization is empowering. It means we are in control, capable of crafting a narrative aligned with our grandest dreams. The idea of conscious creation is analogous to looking in a mirror. Our external world reflects our internal state. This concept, central to Goddard's teachings, urges us to explore the connection between our inner thoughts, beliefs, and the external world we experience. In essence, the world around us is like a painting composed of our deepest beliefs, and external events serve as reflections of our internal state. When we grasp the power of "I am," we start to comprehend how our inner world paints our external experiences. It's akin to being an artist with the ability to shape the world using nothing but the brush of our thoughts and the colors of our words. This journey of self-discovery and creation isn't merely about altering our speech, it's about transforming how we live, think, and dream. Transformation through affirmations comes into play during challenging times, repeated struggles, or moments of feeling stuck. It serves as a signal to introspect, akin to checking the seeds planted in the garden of our minds. Just as subscribing to our channel is a seed that will grow into a substantial tree one day, acknowledging the present is where creation unfolds. This present moment is a unique point where the past and future converge, shaping our life story. Goddard taught that when we assert "I am" in the present, we transform this moment into a powerful catalyst for making things happen. This moment isn't merely a point in time, it's alive with possibilities. Uttering "I am" with conviction in the present is akin to painting bold and beautiful strokes in our life. This perspective breaks down the barriers between past and future, revealing that time is not a linear progression but a web of interconnected moments. By focusing our wishes in the now, we link past dreams with future manifestations, erasing lines that might hinder our dreams from becoming reality. This mindset transforms waiting into doing, as rooting our "I am" in the present signifies active creation, an open invitation to live fully in the moment, recognizing it as the core of our creative power. Approaching life with this mindset is akin to wielding a magic wand. Every sincere "I am" spoken in the present becomes a spell, shaping our future. It involves realizing that the power to change our lives is always within us, here and now. Imagining life as a river, our "I am" affirmations act as stones, creating ripples that touch every aspect of our lives. These ripples reflect the energy and intent infused into our affirmations. Remember, It's not just about uttering the words, it's about feeling them deeply. Saying "I am successful" or "I am happy" involves immersing yourself in the emotions of success and happiness. This deep connection amplifies the power of affirmations, transforming them into beacons calling your dreams into reality. Trust and patience are essential, akin to a gardener patiently waiting for seeds to grow into fruits. Nurturing affirmations with belief and positive action eventually leads to a transformed life, blooming into the envisioned garden of the mind. The concept of "I am" revolves around how our self-perception and thoughts about the world influence our experiences. The transformative journey involves consistently choosing positive "I am" statements. By looking inward and clarifying goals, we can tailor affirmations to reflect the desired reality. Specific and detailed affirmations coupled with genuine emotions create a powerful focus. Regular repetition, visualizing and expressing gratitude reinforce the transformative process. Doubtful thoughts can be replaced with positive "I am" statements, while gratitude amplifies positivity. Keeping a journal to track progress and celebrating wins, both big and small, solidifies the power of affirmations. With practice, perspective shifts, opportunities become visible, confidence grows, and positivity influences interactions and challenges. Affirmations, when consistently practiced, become self-fulfilling prophecies, shaping a positive reality. The journey of transformation is ongoing, marked by ups and downs. Consistency in affirming, visualizing, and expressing gratitude leads to a significant shift in life. Achieving goals becomes a reality, fulfillment sets in, and alignment with one's true self is realized. The power of "I am" serves as a potent tool for personal growth and transformation, offering a path to a more joyful, abundant, and fulfilling life. Delving into the art of magic and spellcasting, we recognize that words have the power to shape our world. Words are likened to a toolkit, each one a unique tool for constructing and molding reality. The arrangement of words, like a master craftsman, can create a spell capable of making things happen. Spellcasting begins with a clear goal, with words serving as keys that unlock different doors, sending signals into the universe. The magic isn't just in the words themselves, but in the hidden meanings and images they evoke. The rhythm and flow of one's voice add to the strength of the spell, reinforcing the idea that words are tools of change. Magic and spellcasting teach us that words transcend mere communication. They have the power to remake reality. Transitioning to the language of the soul, it is a secret code that goes beyond regular talk. Found in poems, holy books, and spiritual writings, this language extends beyond words to symbols, art, and stories. It allows the expression of deep truths and magical moments that ordinary words may struggle to convey. It invites exploration and expression of the profound aspects of ourselves, beyond the tangible and visible. Diving into the magic of "I am," these two simple words are likened to a spell in themselves. They are not just about declaring who you are, they are about creating yourself. Using "I am" purposefully and with belief goes beyond self-description. It is about shaping your identity and potential. It's akin to being an artist, painting your future with every uttered "I am." These words serve as a bridge between the ordinary and the mystical, where the commonplace meets the extraordinary. "I am" is a constant reminder, a chant echoing in the background of your mind. It encourages you to speak your truth, stand in your power, and actively contribute to the narrative of your life. Let "I am" be your song of strength, resonating with the universe and guiding you toward your greatest potential and deepest dreams. In conclusion, as we explore the mystical realm of language, we uncover the profound ability of words to be more than mere sounds or letters. They are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of our minds, sprouting into ideas, actions, and eventually, reality itself. Each chosen word carries a universe of possibilities, weaving the threads of human connection in the tapestry of existence. Words enable us to share our stories, joys, pains, and dreams, building bridges of understanding and empathy. They go beyond communication. They are tools of creation, adding to the eternal narrative of human existence. Recognizing the power of words makes us mindful of what we say and write, understanding that each word contributes to the ongoing story of life. Share this work, discuss these concepts, and let the discussion grow, much like the seeds of transformation you plant in the minds of your loved ones.